Good morning, guys. Today is Wednesday, March 3rd, 2021. It is 10 o'clock in the morning. And today is also the day that I bring the dream machine in to see what that noise is. I've been putting good energy out into the universe, and so I've got a couple of things checked off of this to-do list already. The next, of course, is to bring the van in. And while I'm at Canadian Tire, yes, that's where I'm bringing in my van. I'm just a little bit afraid to bring it to smaller businesses because when they, see a female, I think they see like, a new vacation home or something. But anyways, I'm just going to Canadian Tire. And while I'm there, I'm hoping to utilize my time. So instead of looking at the four walls and twiddling my thumbs, I'm hoping to edit a video. And of course, continue shooting this video. I'm just hoping that they have electrical outlets there, because if they don't, then I won't be able to get much work done, because my laptop, when I'm editing, even though it's 12-hour battery life, it drains, like the editing app, it just drains the battery life right out of my laptop. So I need an electrical outlet. So right now, I have to edit my videos in like a McDonald's or a Tim Hortons, or try to use a Canadian Tire, because I don't have enough power to charge my battery on my laptop, especially when I'm editing. Well, when I'm editing, it goes from fully charged to 50% in about an hour to an hour and a half. It just sucks the life right out of my battery. So this is why I have to go use these restaurants or wherever I can. I do have a Goal Zero 400, but it just does not keep up. Like I would have to keep on turning on my car, and it just, I just find it more convenient to go inside of the restaurants or a place where I can use their electricity. It also gets me out of the van, and so when I'm out, in McDonald's or Tim Hortons, not only am I outside of the van, but I don't have to use my propane. I don't have to use my heater, so I'm saving a little bit of money there, And right now, especially at McDonald's, they got that $1 coffee. So yeah, you can't really go wrong with that, right? I do have 100 watts, a solar panel. It's a portable one, and another smaller one. It's 27 watts. But being here in Squamish, BC, the sun hardly ever comes out. So I just don't feel it's worth the effort to pull it all out. So I don't. I think that's hot enough. But there's the Goal Zero that I was talking about. My Goal Zero Yeti 400. And here is my solar panels, portable. 100 watt, and here it's 28, not 27. But it doesn't do me any good when the sun is not out. It just will not keep my laptop charged. Excuse me. Yeah, excuse me. Thank you. Thank you, you lovely Canadian geese. Okay guys, so I'm here a little early. It's only like 11:25, but I'm gonna go and see if they can take me early. If not, I'll just walk around the store, stretch my legs, and then go to the waiting room and start my editing. Okay, here we go. Fingers crossed. This waiting room here is so tiny. It's so cute. You know, it's really, really, really tiny. And right back there is the washrooms. And right here, electrical outlets. So I'm good to go. So yeah, here I go. It's quite the little setup actually. My little desk right here. Got a nice chair. I've got a view out there where I can see, there's my girl. So, and I'm just opening up my Filmora here, and yeah, I'm gonna get some work done. Okay, there's my girl right there. I seen him take her out at it was about 5 after 12 when he took her out for a test drive to see what that noise was, and he's back. So the manager writer just came in and was explaining to me what's going on with my van. Apparently I need brakes, like brake pads, and a new rotors for both front and back of the van. So anyways, I'm just sitting here with my fingers crossed because they're gonna see what they can do. But yeah, front and back. And it might be, they mentioned something about a caliper or something like that, which holds the brake pads on. You know, it makes them open and close or something like that. They said it might be that, which is more costly than the pads and the rotor itself. My goodness. Like, anyways, fingers crossed, guys. Okay, I don't know what's going on. I haven't seen them put her up in the air yet, up in the hoist. It is 1 o'clock now, and it doesn't even look like they started working on her yet. I think they're still trying to figure out what to do.
1.4, 1, 2, 3, about 4 or 5 hours of labor time to do it all. I just didn't want to start something today for sure, run into a problem, have a car up in the hoist, can't bring it down, and
I'm sleeping on the streets.
And then you're on the streets, you know. So I mean, I can get everything, like all the parts ordered in, the calipers and whatnot. And I'll talk a little bit more with my mechanic. I want to give you time to digest. I'm throwing a lot at you, so I want to give you time to digest everything that we're throwing at you.
Yeah, because it hurts.
Yeah, it does. I mean, this is what we have on here. I mean, like I said, I can give you this stuff here. I've got copies on my computer.
Okay, yes, I would like that.
And then
just figure out when I can bring it back in.
Yeah, and this is the quote I did with calipers. This is the quote without calipers. This is without.
Okay, yeah.
And this is just what you did in Valleyfield. That's all.
Okay, perfect. Well, that's good to have. So I can have that.
Yeah,
all those. Perfect. Yeah, that's great.
I'll just I'll find out what we can do for time wise or whatever.
Yeah.
For what's best for everybody.
Beautiful. Okay? Thanks, Mike. That's not very good news now, is it? Oh my God. Yeah, that's not. Look at it. I can see the stress in my eyes already. So anywhere from $1,000 to $1,700. Oh God. Oh God. So yeah, as you already heard, they can't do the job today. So they're looking to see when they're going to fit me in. And I'm just praying that it doesn't need the calipers. I think that's what you call it. But yeah, I'm almost feeling sick to my stomach. I just got to figure out how I'm going to juggle this money around to pay between my line of credit, my checking account, and my Visa. but I was not expecting this. I truly was not expecting this at all. Oh God. So they made me an appointment for next Tuesday at 8 o'clock in the morning. And they told me that I can sleep in the parking lot the night before. So, woohoo! Anyways, there's my girl. So I've got like 6 days to put this, you know, better energy. Obviously I wasn't putting good enough energy out into the universe for the last few days. So yeah, getting that news, I'm not gonna lie, it did you know, drain me from my energy a little bit. That being said, guys, I hope your day is going better than mine. Time to wrap it up. Gonna give you a little bit of peace, love, and light from my heart to yours. See you next video.